Here we go again. Here we go again. Missing element. I'm not in the mood. I didn't have my medication in 2 days. There's a lot going on. Here go the missing element. Every contractor hates traffic. Fucking traffic. Oh, I'm getting fucking interrupted. Let me take this call. Yo, yo, what? What up? Bro, you can't just call me. Listen, listen. I'm a fucking contractor, bro. You can't just call me, have me walk you through a fucking job. Yeah, a fucking consultation fee. That's what the fuck happens. Be a fucking smartass. Man, you calling me in the middle of my recording. This is the fucking problem now. Now this shit's staying on here. What's up, son? Stop doing that bum ass wire covering shit and run the wires. Fuck I look like. I look like Geek Squad. You gotta screw that track onto the fucking wall. That's why they gave you screws. So the shit could stay on the wall. Then you run the wires through the track and then you put the cover on it. That's it, bro. What's up, son? You should be embarrassed that I'm your friend and you don't know how to do simple shit like that. I'm a fucking craftsman. I'm not a fucking. You ain't find me in fucking Home Depot parking lot, bro. You look like you found me in Home Depot parking lot, huh? Huh? The fuck? I look like I work on fucking Angie's List or Thumbtack with that petty ass shit you calling me about. A 5-year-old could do that dumb shit. Nah, keep it together and screw right through it. Yeah, you gotta split it in half, bro. It's split it in half. You gonna have me crash out, son, cause I ain't take my meds or nothing in 2 days, son. And the shit is wearing off and I'm about to go crazy. Let me see it again. Let me see it. You can't duh. I just said that. You gotta screw one half of that to the wall and then that's done. Then you connect the other pieces. That thing splits in half. I can see it from here. This what the fuck? I need to start charging people for fucking video conferences. What you mean? That's impossible. How is that gonna happen? You at least gotta hit one screw in each piece of track. I wish your fucking responses was being recorded right now because you're getting me tight. This shit don't make no fucking sense. Did you think? Yeah, the box make it look easy, right? The fuck out of here. The box make it look easy. Nothing's easy in this world, my guy. Yeah, I thought you knew mathematics, nigga. You ain't God body for real. If that was the case, you would have figured that out, and you wouldn't have even wasted my fucking 5 minutes of my life asking me stupid shit. What else you want? I don't give a fuck. Fuck your path of righteousness, nigga. I'm on a path. I'm on a path of fucking. I'm on a path of fucking destruction and misdirection at this point. I'm on a fucking crash out mission. You just caught it in the middle, son. I can't. Yeah, it ain't phase you. I don't give a fuck if it phase you or not, nigga. Now this nigga's bulletproof. Non-tech grenades. Get the fuck out of here. when they hear that fucking stupid shit. Now this nigga don't got no chink in his armor. Fuck out of here, nigga. You wasn't in Desert Storm, nigga. You wasn't fighting the Viet Congs, nigga. I don't want to hear none of that shit. You had a rough fucking week, bro. And it's not even you. It's me. It's not you. I'm the problem. That's what the fuck I hear all day. I'm the fucking problem. So clearly I'm a fucking problem. But having good friends like you get you through the days. And fuck the solution, nigga. I'm not Albert Einstein. Nigga, fuck about a solution. What do you do? What do you do? What do you do if you can't figure something out and you just say fuck it? You obliterate it, right? And then it's not a problem anymore. It's obliterated to smithereens, to the fucking atoms, the eons of the molecules. Fuck problems. You need to go buy you a fucking drill. Fuck you over there doing. What you think you're gonna do it? Yeah, try to use your fucking finger to fucking screw the screws in. Use your finger as a drill. Fuck is you talking about? Do I need a drill for this? Yeah, use your fucking head. Use your head to fucking screw the screws in. Use your fucking head. Just use it. Nah, 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 nah. Take your head and take the screw and fucking just spin yourself around. It'll do what you need to do. This shit is crazy. You was an embarrassment of a reflection of me. You supposed to be sending me pictures like, yo, bro, look what I did. You just a fucking give a fuck, nigga. Watch my fucking videos, nigga. Be a fucking what's that shit called? Be a fucking My videos will never show you how to do that dumb shit because I do it the right way, nigga. Fuck is you talking about? I do it the right way, the professional way. That what you doing right there? The dude in Walmart who say hi and bye, he could do that shit and he wouldn't call my phone. The tape is to tape it to your head and then tape your head to the wall. it's, it's double sided tape, so if you want to use the tape or you want to use the screws. If you need to go that way, son, it's best you go that way, son. Cause that's the DIY that's the DIY Walmart way. That ain't even a Home Depot way. Yo, bro, that's what it is. If you got a problem peeling the tape off, son, I don't know what to tell you. if if you got problems if you got problems figuring out that's double sided tape and how to peel it off, son, I don't know what to tell you, son. Yeah, you a part of who did that No Child Left Behind act? George Bush. You a part of George Bush America. No Child Left Behind. Fucked America up with that bullshit. It's double sided tape. I could look at it and tell it's double sided tape. Life is rough. Life is fucked up. But that's the end, son. I'm about to I- you already wasted about 9, 10 minutes of my videos that I'm keeping all this shit on here. Yeah. They only gonna hear me talking though, but shit gonna be fucked up. I don't give a fuck. So I'm getting this YouTube money, son. There's too much YouTube internet money out here to be playing, son. Fuck this shit, son. Should be ready to have me crash out. Nah, I can't do that. I'm gonna go to jail. Crash out on the internet. Nah, I'm gonna crash out. That could happen. Fuck it. What could you lose? Go viral. 1 million streams could get you a nice little check. Son, when I'm on channel 7 and y'all sitting in the crib watching, just know I told y'all what was gonna happen, son. Y'all gonna see me on channel 7 and y'all gonna be like, yo, he told me he was gonna wild out. Alright, like and subscribe, yo. Let me finish talking to the old head of oldest heads that don't know how to do nothing. He don't know how to screw a light bulb in. He need 3 people to screw a light bulb in. That's what I'm dealing with right now, YouTube. But like, subscribe. I don't know. I'm putting this video out. I'm putting this video out regardless. I don't care. Peace out.